Good morning. Today is Friday, November 3, 2023, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, November 3, 2023. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Friday, November 3, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Friday, November 3, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.